We didn't know that they are gonna come and take over everything and run this city.
Right now at 6, finding refuge in Colorado.
We didn't know what to do. Going out was dangerous. Nobody could help us.
A couple from Afghanistan sits down with Denver7 as the White House gives new insight on when troops will be withdrawn.
The only thing that we want our families to be saved.
Adams County parents apply the pressure on masks.
The true pandemic right now is fear.
And county commissioners say that decision is now up to the schools.
As the mask debate heats up on the Front Range, outbreaks are already moving kids back to remote learning.
We are definitely keeping track of the situation, monitoring as we've said we would from the start.
Good evening and thank you for watching Denver 7 News at 6. I'm Ann Trujillo.
I'm Shannon Ogden. A Colorado mother and her 2 small children were in Kabul, Afghanistan when it fell to the Taliban. And the story of how they escaped is harrowing.
She feared for her life because her husband helped U.S. Armed Forces, and tonight they're now worried for the family they left behind.
Denver 7's Liz Gilardi sat down with the couple and the man who helped get them out.
A Colorado woman says she was one of 600 people in this photo, showing a U.S. military plane leaving Afghanistan after the Taliban seized control.
When we arrived over there's a lot of people and sometimes they are shooting.
When she arrived at the Kabul airport, she says it was chaos. She walked 2 miles with her 2 young children through thousands of people.
We show our passport. We have passport. We have passport. Please let us to get inside.
She also knew if the Taliban saw her United States passport, she could be in danger. Her husband spent 5 years working as an interpreter for U.S. Armed Forces. They moved to Colorado in 2014. We're not using their names or showing their faces because the family is fearful the Taliban could go after relatives still in Afghanistan.
For the Taliban, if you have any way of communication or any way of relation with the U.S., you are automatically labeled a spy. And if you are caught, you are dead in the spot. They will shoot you.
The woman and her husband decided to visit family in Afghanistan earlier this summer. They wanted to go one last time before the United States pulled out.
We knew it's gonna go bad sometime after they leave. So we took that chance. We went to visit our family.
What they didn't expect is just how quickly it would decline. The husband returned home first. His wife was supposed to fly back earlier this month, but she had emergency surgery and delayed her flight. By the time she was scheduled to fly out, the Taliban had already taken Kabul.
It was so fast that first I couldn't even, when she said that it's Taliban all over the city, I couldn't even believe it. I didn't know what to do.
Move out of that.
A retired Army Special Forces colonel and friend tried to help.
Very concerned. It was like, my God, we got to get her out of there. And that it's imperative we do everything we can to help those that especially helped us. To try to get them out, do everything we can to get them out.
Although this former interpreter is thankful his wife and kids were able to escape, he says their families in Afghanistan are now in hiding.
The only thing that we want our families to be saved. I mean, the only thing that we want is that our family not to be executed for what we did. And what we did was helping the U.S. Armed Forces.
And with an evacuation deadline now looming, this family is hoping their loved ones can make it out of Afghanistan because their lives could be in danger.
And there are several ways you can help Afghan refugees trying to flee the country. They include something as simple as getting in touch with your local refugee resettlement office, to donating your unused airline miles. You can find our full article on how to help out by visiting thedenverchannel.com.
Well, President Biden says his plan is on pace now to have all U.S. troops withdrawn from Afghanistan a week from today. He says the only contingent, of course, is the Taliban cooperating. Biden says more than 70,000 people now have been evacuated from Afghanistan since August 14th, and tens of thousands of Afghans are still trying to leave. The president has asked the Pentagon and State Department for contingency plans to possibly adjust the timeline.
The mask debate in our kids' schools, it's a hot topic, right? A new study today from Magellan Strategies finds Coloradans are evenly split on the issue. 48% of Coloradans think masks should be required in school. 50% think otherwise. And now districts are going back to the drawing board on what's best for our kids. Denver7's Ivan Rodriguez is joining us live from Weld County. Ivan, the Weld RE4 school board is meeting right now, and at least one elementary school there is in the middle of an outbreak.
And that's right, and the same day that an outbreak was announced, the school board is now meeting to discuss the future of masks in schools. Now, some parents who we spoke with earlier today say any option should be considered that keeps their kids in the classroom.
We've had a rocky year in general. We lost my grandmother to COVID last year. We're just really hesitant about COVID.
For the first time, Liz's son Calvin is going to preschool at Grandview Elementary. For them, the pandemic is personal after losing a pillar in their family.
We wear masks so that nobody has to go through what we went through, so that nobody else loses their Grammy.
Even though Calvin is wearing his mask to school, it's not something that is required in Weld County or across the school district. This makes the news of an outbreak even more concerning for many parents.
This year I'm really nervous because the numbers just came in yesterday from our email from the school.
Currently at Grandview Elementary, there's a total of 23 confirmed COVID cases, 9 of them coming from one classroom that started remote learning Tuesday morning. For Jen Petrick, who also started sending her 7-year-old to school with a mask, it's crucial that he's able to receive in-person instruction.
I'm just really hoping that more parents will just see that it's going to be better for all of us if we just keep our kids safe, we just put on the mask.
We are definitely keeping track of the situation, monitoring as we've said we would from the start, and then notifying folks so they can make personal decisions.
Weld RE4 school district says once 4 students test positive in a classroom, the entire classroom has to go remote. Even if there's one COVID case in a classroom, they notify parents.
Our focus in the Weld RE4 school district, of course, is first and foremost the safety and health of our staff and students. We're also focused on maintaining in-person learning as much as possible this year, which is really important to us.
And a couple weeks into the school year, some parents are already filled with uncertainty, thinking if their child's classroom is going to be the next one to quarantine. Many of them paying close attention to the school board's decision later tonight. We'll bring you the latest from that on Denver7 News at 10. Live in Windsor, Ivan Rodriguez, Denver7.
Ivan, thank you. Adams County school districts will be able to make decisions on masks on their own. In a 3-2 vote today, the Board of Commissioners voted to opt out of the Tri-County Health Department's mask order for 2 to 11-year-olds. The board chair says she believes in masks, but since Tri-County Health gave them the option to opt out, the board decided to opt out. Commissioner Emma Penter was adamant, though, about keeping the mask mandate in place. One teacher spoke during public comment, saying masks made her day harder.
It is our job to take the recommendation of those members of the Board of Health who, quite frankly, have put their lives on the line, who have feared for their safety this past year and a half.
It's one extra thing that I say, hey, you have to put your mask on. Put your mask on. Hey, your mask isn't covering your nose. Hey, put your mask on. Where's your mask? I don't need to be asking, where's your mask? I need to be asking, where's your pencil? Because that's what I care about when it comes to learning.
So far, Adams 12 and Aurora Public Schools have said this decision does not change their mask mandates. Others are still finalizing plans. In fact, tomorrow night, the Strasburg 31J board will meet to formalize plans.
Arapahoe County commissioners are taking public input before discussing whether to opt out of the Tri-County Health mask order. That happens next week. Douglas County commissioners voted last week to opt out of the order, but the school district decided to stick with a mask mandate. And even with that mask order, STEM School Highlands Ranch is reporting a COVID outbreak among 6th graders. All 6th grade students will now remain remote through next Monday, while the health department investigates. And new tonight at 6, Tri-County Health is out with a statement saying it is disappointed in Adams County's decision to opt out, but are sympathetic to the pressures that commissioners are facing.
Take a look at your screen if you would. Denver police are looking for this mom and her 3 children. They say Cassandra Andres took the kids from a relative's house in North Glen in June and hasn't been heard from since. Right now, DPD has no reason to think she would harm the children, but they are worried about negligent care.
Mesa County is getting new voting machines. County commissioners unanimously approved a contract with Dominion today. The old ones were decertified when someone leaked passwords on social media. Mesa County Clerk Tina Peters has been blamed for the leak. Peters and her office are now under investigation by the district attorney's office and the FBI.
Dr. Adira Carveo wants to be the first to represent Colorado's 8th congressional district. The seat was created this year to accommodate our growing population. It likely is going to be somewhere in the North Metro. Carveo, a Democrat, currently represents Adams County, the state house. She's also a pediatrician, and if she wins, she will be Colorado's first Latina congresswoman.
So it's a point of pride for me. I wish that I wasn't the first. I wish that we had been able to achieve that before, but it's really important that somebody provide that voice and that perspective in Congress, because the United States is changing, Colorado is changing, Adams County has changed, and it's time that a community that maybe has not always had a voice have somebody in Congress that can speak for them.
The district map, as you know, is still undergoing changes. It must be finalized in time for counties to prepare for next year's elections.
Denver's hot housing market is simmering down.
I would say that the feeding frenzy has certainly calmed down.
We look into what's causing the change.
Another day of toasty temperatures. Tomorrow's going to be a hot one, and then some changes come up for Thursday.
Plus, Broncos country will have to remain just a little more patient about who will be the starting quarterback.